And if I told you that, now there is a artificial intelligence that can help you. Generate the voice, the sound and the background, all at the same time. No adding voice afterwards. Editing it. No. All in. Just one. Today I'm going to try Kling 2.6 audio inside Higgsfield, a new tool that promises to generate complete scenes with audio, synchronized in a single shot. I will show you the process in real time, directly from the platform so that you see if it's really worth it and why do many people say it is one of the cheapest options on the market. Time to create videos with intelligence. Artificial. Okay, so we're in Higgsfield. And we are in King mode 2.6. Here you can find a lot of things. Well, already here, I was trying to do some prompts and so on. So first, well, obviously they have to log in with your account. And they go here where it says video. Here they go to you. You will see an unnumbered function. But the one we are going to try today, it's Kling 2.6. One of the latest updates that has made Higgsfield. When it comes to improving in terms of videos with artificial intelligence have multiple, so to speak, effects or modes where you can create the general, which is where you create the image. Basically the same as this one, but look at the pile of effects that you can do with this tool. And today I am going to show you at least some that you can use. For example, use this X viewer here. We selected, right? And then you can tell him a Chrome. You can place it. Let's go to chat now. And we are going to ask you to copy the prompt. And we paste it here. You can leave it in Spanish. You can leave it in English as you like. Here you can remove the audio, but obviously the idea is that it is with the audio. Make sure the model is Kling 2.6. Prayer. You can put it in 5 or 10 seconds, depending on the appearance you can do it. Horizontal data as vertical. We give it here where it says generate. And it's basically going to create us. One like the model that is here, we are going to a couple of minutes, 2 minutes, approximately. And we have this result. The quality, if we add a little of the person, looks quite good. Now we can also do of what? Grab an image and put it then. Let's put it here. We're going to generate a prompt, another prompt. We copy, and then we stick it here. Now we can change the way. Here. And there are quite a few. Let's choose to see aerial pullback, because that's what it says. And now we can pull a photo of X. Person. Let me see if I have a photo here. We select here as the person and we generate, we wait a few minutes and that's it. We will see the result that we will see. As a result, the image of the person, and look what madness we just got. Create. Come on, let's see it better. Now I'm going to give you some tips. You can create a long video with this. What we do is we wait for it to arrive to 4 seconds and here then first. Obviously we download this and we give you download. And it automatically, but we give it. Right click will open this option and we give you copy frame. To this, we remove here. Control V stick and it will stick to us. Last, the same frame that generate. And if you want, you can put something on it. Let's put him in this case. I'm not going to generate it as a pro as such, but I want you. Now let the birds fly out. We give you generate. And let's wait a few minutes and this is the result. And so we can create any type of video. And the scene or more or less the effect that you put it. You can do it with this form, because at least if I put a person here in this effect, look, let's do it. Let's practice everything. If I put that same person in that effect to do the same. It suits me. I give it here. Here is the person. I remove the prompt and we give it generate. And here we have the Result. There is a little detail regarding the for purposes and so on, but they have to go testing it so that he can do it for you. Well, basically, what one wants, one puts the prom in there. As I say, there are quite a few effects that you can use. We can also then use as... It said several effects, and now we are going to try. At least this way, I just select. And we can leave it as is. We can add a image of a person so that basically do the same, or we can ask you for something else. I leave this at your discretion, and something that, yes, I noticed, is that if we put it in the size, let's say we're going to say this. If we put the size of the image, if the image is vertical, the video will appear vertical. If the image is horizontal, it will appear as it is. If they saw each other, they saw in the video before, the previous seconds. With that of the jungle one. We can ask you for a pro, but in my case, like, test. Let's wait for it to be generated. 1. So to speak, generic, but let's see. What makes us... It is intelligent. The best thing about this model is that offers unlimited generations with a click. 2.6. And here we have the result. Now, if you still want to follow the video like I told him in the other, right-click suddenly this option does not. It will appear to you, copy frame. And you can follow the video with Control+me. You paste it here, and another one is automatically generated. But let's try another model now. We do it here in chain. We changed it, and you have in the like that says trend. These are the new ones that are going to appear here. Those that are viral, what are effects? And what has basically been created. Let's use one that's viral. Let's see this one. Let's see this one comes cool. We generate. And we wait a few minutes. And we already have the complete video, and look, what madness you just created us. And if you see the details, they're pretty good. The quality is very good. Higgsfield offers unlimited generation. Kid 2.6 audio. For those who subscribe to the Ultiple plan. Also mention that Higgsfield has the lowest prices on the market. As for the competition, so basically this is how we create videos. Professional. With a prompt or suddenly a effect that Kling 2.6 has within Higgsfield. If you liked the video, then remember, subscribe to the channel. Activate the bell if you have any questions. Consultation. You can leave it here below in the comments that I will gladly give you. Reply. And if you want to watch other videos with artificial intelligence here, I leave you a video and see you there.